I'm gonna give him some Motrin later on when he wakes up. So I'm here with my baby Brycen. He's not feeling too good today. His whole mouth this morning, like he woke up with his whole mouth swollen, like his whole cheek. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is swollen, and that's because he has like an abscess, and that's due to his front teeth tooth had chipped like a couple weeks ago, and then it formed like a cavity, and now it has an infection. So he's running a fever. I'm giving him soup right now and giving him water. And I'm just like, I feel so sad that his jaw is swelling and that he's in pain. Tomorrow we're going to see the dentist tomorrow for an emergency visit so that she can check his teeth out and his gums and to see what the issue is. So I'm really hoping that tomorrow that she can actually like pull the tooth out and like do something about it because he's in pain. So yeah, I'm just feeding him some tomato-based soup right now. Here. That good, baby? Is the soup good? So he is asleep right now. I'm gonna give him some Motrin later on when he wakes up. But yeah, he's asleep. I don't know if you guys can see, but both sides of his jaw is very swollen. This side is more swollen than the other side, but he's laying on the side that's really swollen. And also the front of his mouth is swollen as well. So he just got done drinking his soup and he just went to sleep. So when he wakes up, I'm gonna give him some Motrin. Yeah, I feel really bad. The past like 3 days he was complaining about his front tooth hurting him, and I knew that's because his tooth got chipped. Like I told you guys earlier, his tooth was chipped, and he had a cavity in the front of his tooth, and that's the reason why it was so easy for it to break. So he started complaining for the past 3 days, saying his tooth was hurting him. And then like I saw that yesterday he barely wanted to eat, and I had to force him to eat. And today, like, he just did not want to eat today at all. So I gave him soup, and I know soup would, like, you know, it will help him get something in his body as well as like hydrate him. I've been giving him water and medicine. And yeah, like I'm really hoping that tomorrow when I take him to the dentist that she's able to do something to his tooth and like take it out and like do something about it. Like I'm really hoping that, because I don't want to see him in pain. Like the same situation happened to Isana about like two years ago. She had the same problem with her front tooth, but the difference with her front tooth was she had a cavity like him, but her tooth didn't break. Like she actually had like a little dentation of where the cavity was like eating at her teeth, her tooth. And that was because both of them, when they're younger, like babies, I used to let them go to sleep with their bottle of milk in their mouth, and the dentist told me that that's the reason why they had the cavity in their front tooth, both of them, is because I allowed them to sleep at night with the bottle in their mouth when they did take a bottle, and that performed like a cavity. And I didn't even know that, so I just feel so bad because I went through the same thing with Isana, and she had to go to the dentist for an emergency visit because her tooth was like hurting her so bad, and they had to like extract the teeth, and it was like bad. So I'm really hoping that they can extract his tooth tomorrow, because he's in so much pain, and I know how it feels to be in pain because I had my wisdom teeth removed because I was in pain for a very long time. So I know how it feels as an adult, and what I did was I took like medicine for it, but there's only but so much you can do for a child. All I can keep doing is giving him Motrin and liquids until they extract his tooth. So please pray for Brycen, that he gets better I'm hoping that his fever goes down. Like, I really hate seeing him sick. Like, I almost cried today, but I'm trying to hold myself together. So yeah, I don't like seeing either one of them sick. So I'm just gonna keep giving him medicine, liquids, and we're gonna be taking him to the dentist tomorrow. And hopefully the swelling in his mouth goes down. So look what came in the mail, guys. Isana and Brycen's new tablet. So this is their second tablets, the same brand. We had to get new ones because their old ones, the charger port stopped working, so it couldn't charge, but it worked fine. So yeah, we got new ones for them. Brycen is still sleeping. I'm gonna wake him up because he's been asleep for like 2 hours. And I want him to sleep tonight, so I'm gonna wake him up and I'm gonna surprise the kids because they don't know that we got them new tablets. You wanna wake up? Yeah? I got something to show you. What? Your mouth is so swollen, baby. Oh, his lips is getting swollen too. Open your mouth. Oh my goodness, his lips is swollen too. I didn't even notice that. Oh, poor thing. It's not baby. Okay, so can you sit up please and pause that?
I can't pause.
Still laying down? Well, I gotta talk to you about something.
Okay.
So, Mommy and Papa got you guys something.
Toy.
Okay, I'm gonna show you what I got you, okay? Alright, Mommy's gonna show you. Can you guys close your eyes?
Okay.
Brycen's lip, guys, is swollen. Like, his top lip is really swollen. And you can see the swelling on his cheek as well. Oh my goodness, my baby.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, his eyes is closed. Close your eyes. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Got you a new one. It's a new one. It's black. The last one you had was blue. So this one is black now. You can add your own games to it. Why does this have a password on it?
Oh, baby, I told you that's the game.
I know Bryce is not feeling the best today, but I think that's gonna make his day, right, Brycen? Are you happy? Yeah. How's your mouth feeling?
Good.
Good. It's still hurting a little bit? Princess, how do you feel? You got another tablet.
I might feel good. I really like my tablet.
You do?
But let's see games.
You gonna find games?
I'm gonna find my games that I really want it.
Are you happy, buddy?
Got that game, the cooking game.
Hey, oh, you're showing your tablet? Are you excited? Oh, baby. I just can't wait till the swelling goes down to your lips. The swelling on his lip just started. Like, before he took a nap, it wasn't there. When he woke up, his lip started getting swollen. And his cheek swelling is still there. As you can tell, this one is more swollen than this side. And he's still kind of warm. But baby's doing better. You're such a cutie pie.
Thank you.
Aww. Ew, why do you sound like that?
Good. I love you.
Because you love me? Oh, I love you too, baby. So, Isana and Brycen wants to end the vlog.
Thank you guys for watching. I see you in my video. Bye. In my bio and subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye.
You guys be nice.
You say hi to Mommy? She left you in the store? She left you in the car to go to the store? Say hi, Grandma. Miss you, Grandma. Miss you too, Grandpa. Hey, I'm eating. Look at my cheeks. Got big fat cheeks. Alright, say bye.